Somebody come take a look at this. Somebody come take a look at this. Let me tell you what it is, okay? I was minding my business. When I want to go pump my wife's car, gas in the car, then I ran into this guy. Well, I didn't run into him. Somehow, somewhere, she picked him up. So, I ran into a guy that said it costs $20 to plug a tire up. Anyway, I got my trusties. Now we're about to punch this hole in and then plug this thing up. You hear me? This is my last one. He's gonna buy me another one. So, let's get it. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prepare my shell. So I'm gonna take this and line it up. Okay, you doing the most. So I did this part. You missed it. It's your fault. Then we're gonna add some of this beautiful stuff right here. Get it? Beautiful stuff. It's like sugar. Ooh, magoo-goo. Magoo-goo. Okay, I got my baby 1, my baby 2, and my baby 3. Okay, let's see if I can get you with this ninja right here. Ping, grab. My Lord. Lord Garmadon. Ooh, look at him. Look at him. He's terrible. So we're gonna go up in here. Man, that was huge. You were huge. Did I just say you were huge? It was big as jail. Okay. Now we're gonna take you and go up in there. In your face, baby. Yep, we in there. Like somewhere. So he should be stuck. I just want my metal. Get my metal, son. There it is. That's how you do it. Yourself, okay? It ain't that hard. Don't let nobody charge you no $20, $30. Darn it. You can do it for buy your old pack of these. I mean, I remember, I think it was like 6 or 7 of these things. Anyways, just like that, we done. Now you gotta pump it up. Pump it up. And lastly, use my big boy. I know how to check the pressure. See his size, right? Use my big boy too right there. Bam. That's how we do. So we back in business. Shorty.